the last time you were here, we were talking about Huobi Global's license in Hong Kong. Any progress there?
Yes, so everyone start to operate exchange in Hong Kong. So I think Huobi Hong Kong will be live in July 15. So we have been prepared this for quite a long time. And so far, I think we started to have more details about what kind of the token we can list it, how we can do KYC, AML, and what's the banking requirement for open bank accounts in Hong Kong.
So what are those tokens that you can list? Can you tell us?
Yes, sure. So right now, I think we received the guidance. Basically, it's more about like how many of the index include those tokens. I think we have a list around like 20 of them. And also be aware, even without index reference, if you have a big trading volume, they still have a grace period. You can apply those tokens if you want to list them, but not a lot. I think basically right now we want to get a grace period for several tokens, especially for stablecoin, because this is very important for operate crypto exchange. So we apply for USDT, USDC, tusd, and also basically the major top 20 tokens in CoinMarketCap.
Also, are you guys going to be available for retail trade in Hong Kong?
Yes, we are going to be available for retail trade. I think it depends on who is the investor or owner of the exchange, right? I think for example, you never operate like an exchange before. I believe Hong Kong license has very high requirements, exactly because they require you to operate exchange on your own, but the custody can't leave Hong Kong, so it's all gonna be all the cold storage, all the crypto assets needs to stay in Hong Kong, and you need to have like a very robust, basically hot wallet and cold wallet security solution. I think we have to do a little bit math about operate exchange in Hong Kong. If you never operate exchange before, I think at least you need to spend around 100 million Hong Kong dollars, which are around like 15 million US dollars every year to operate exchange. But for example, like Huobi, we already have those systems. So it's gonna be like, I believe like 20% or 30% of the cost we estimated.
Can Huobi ever return to its former glory?
First of all, I believe we need to focus on Asia markets. Of course, I think Huobi has the best reputation among all the Asia traders. And also, right, so recently we have seen more and more traders started to get excited about crypto because of Hong Kong new crypto regulation. So that's why I think this is a big opportunity for Huobi to dive into Hong Kong markets, since this is most of the institution and major investor. Be aware, like all the major Chinese companies listed in Hong Kong and trade their stocks in Hong Kong. So actually Hong Kong has the similar size of the markets compared to mainland China in terms of stock trading. So that's why I believe crypto trading in Hong Kong will also share the similar ratio, I think, eventually. So that's why I think we focus lots of our energy in Hong Kong and in the Asian markets.